Hi everyone and welcome back to Alice's Toy Box. Today I have some Shopkins for you and I'm going to start off with this one, which is the season 4 Shopkins. This came in a little fruit basket. I'm just going to use my scissors to open this up. And let's see who we got. I believe these didn't come blind bags. Oh, they did. I got one that did. Oh, struggling to get out. So here is our little food basket that we can display them in. We also got a checklist so I can tell you who we got. Here is our first one. Oh, noisy packaging. Oh, I believe this is the earring twins and they look like little cats. And there is the back. I will just double check. Oh, you can't see him. There we go. Let's open the second one. Oh. And this is a little chair. Is this comfy chair? Now let's check the name. This is comfy chair and it is just a common. And then the earrings are... Oh, they're part of the Petkins, I believe. Yep, the earring twins. And the Petkins were the special edition. So let's move on to, I think I'm going to open, oh no, this one was next, wasn't it? This was season 5. The little backpacks. Let's just cut this open. So you've got two little backpacks that linked together. Take the cover off. So you've got a pink and a teal one. Take the bags out. And then in here we did also get a checklist. This one didn't really have a name, did it, this season? So let's see who we got. Oh, is it? It's a little cow. Is it a drum? Woo! I will get that one in a second. Here it is. So I'll check the name for you. I think it's easier if I open these like this. Oh, I haven't got this one before, I don't think. And this is like a wishing well. Is it Penny Wishing Well? Let's check the names. I'm actually going to move them up here. Make sure I get the right checklist. So, I don't think it's in the... Oh, here we go. What is it? Sport. Penny... Oh, it's garden. Sorry, I do apologise. Penny Wishing Well, which is a common. And Fun Drum, which is a rare. So those were from season 5. Then we have my favourite, which if you know, if you've been watching this channel, you know that this is my favourite season. This is the Chef Club. So these came in the little food jars with the lid. Oh, struggle to get these out sometimes. There we go. Will I take this off? Let's see if I can. I haven't got any nails, unfortunately. Oh, this is going to give me a bit of trouble. There we go. So they came in the little food jars that you could store them in. And our checklist, which has our recipe card, which has Natalie noodles. And there is the inside. So let's see. I'm trying to complete this collection. Oh, I don't have this one, I don't think. This is the bananas. Is this bunch of bananas? Again, long checklist that I will try and get their names. I love that one. That's so cute. Love the colour. And then here is, whoops, our next ones. Oh, this isn't Natalie noodles, is it? Winking. This is Nina noodles, I think. I think I have that one. So let's just check. Nina noodles. So she helps make Natalie noodles, so that's a good start. And Buncho bananas, and I believe they're both, oh no, Nina was a rare and the bananas were a common. Next up was 7, was it the birthday or celebration? Doesn't say, but they were all party themed Shopkins. If you want to see any of the checklists, I do show them quite a lot on my channel, so just make sure you watch another video. So there is this one's checklist. These came in the 2 little presents, which are really cute, especially if you've got doubles and you want to swap them with somebody. It's quite nice if you want to just leave them in the little box. So there are our present boxes. So the first one we got was, oh, I don't have this one. This is like a little orange juice carton. There. Where are we going to put them? That is the question. I'll put you there. And oh, this one's tiny. It's very flat. There's the second one. Oh, it's like wings, butterfly wings or fairy wings, like a costume. Let's get the, ooh, is it Willow? Wilma? Let's have a look. So, surprise party, PJ party, picnic party, no. Princess, no. So, no, that's not the wings. We will find them. Or maybe I've missed them. Let's go back and check. Oh, here we go. So it's Lucy Juice Box, who is a common. And then where are the wings? I would have thought. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to find them. They're not on here. Unless I am completely blind. They must be on the back. Because there's wings there, but they're not. Oh, right here. Winola wings. And that one is also a common. So, moving on to, was this 8? Or was this 9? 8. Boarding to Europe. So, this, they brought these out, I believe, in 3. Oh, this one's going to be tricky. There we go. 3 different, was it Europe, America, or was it 2? You guys will have to let me know in the comments below. I just wanted the ones from the UK, of course. So there is our checklist, our 2 blind bags. This comes out, but you can obviously use this if you want the characters. And then these are all stackable and they had different colours. So I just wanted the ones from the UK. Bit picky, but I believe this is one of them. This is Freddy Fish and Chips. Doesn't love a good fish and chips in the UK. Move you there. And here is, oh, our second one. Oh, it's silver, but I think it's just normal, which is a teapot. So the Freddy Fish and Chips was a common. Now let's look. This was the checklist. If you want to look at it, you can pause it if you like. And then this is Carlo Coffee Pot, and it is a rare. So those are all the other ones that you can collect. And we have the 2, I believe they're special editions, or so this one was the Fashion Spree. It's just a sticker. And these were all Shopkins relating to fashion items. And they came in this cute little bag. Or basket, or shopping basket. Whoops. Here we go. Woo! Throw them around. So these were different They were the ones that have come out already, but they were repainted for this collection. So let's see if I know who they are. Oh, it's like a little cell phone with a little kitty charm on it, a kitty cat. So I will look for the name at the end, because I might not know the name of this one either. And our second one was, it's Polish, but I believe the original one was pink. I love this colour. So let's check and show you this checklist, because it's not very big. So Smarty Phone was a common. I think they're all common. Whoops. Oh, these ones were the more rare ones. So Polish. That's really hard to say for me. And then obviously there was the limited edition Beverly Hills. And then this was another one of my favourites. This was the Food Fair, which had all Shopkins related to food. And I love, once again, the containers that these come in. Look, jelly beans. Oh, these weren't blind bags. So that's the only ones that didn't come in a blind bag. Again, our checklist is nice and small. So, this is the first one. Oh, these are hard to get out the bags that we got, and I don't know what this is. Whoops, sorry. No idea what this is. You'd have to let me know. Let's just check the name now. It says Lamington, but I have no idea what that is. Please let me know. And this, I do know what it is. This one looks like a croissant. And let's just check your name. So Lammy was a common, and so is this one. This one's Croissant Dior. They were both commons. So let me know which season is your favourite season of Shopkins, and if I missed any that you like, please let me know, and I will try my best to find them. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!